also an CAT exam most highly repeated model. Method 1. Method 1. How most of the students will solve this question? Question is 80 power x is 4. 80 power y is 5. 80 power x is 4. 80 power y is 5. So x will be log 4 base 80. Y will be log 5 base 80. Log 5 base 80. So question is 20 power of 1 minus of x plus y divided by 1 minus x. Most of the teachers also will solve like this. 20 power 1, I am writing it as log 80 base 80 minus of x plus y log a plus log b. 4 5s are 20 divided by log a 1 is log 80 base 80 minus x is log 4 base 80. So this will be log a minus log b. It is 20 log 4 base 80 by log 20 base 80. Log 80 cancel. 20 power log 4 base 20. Logarithm, there is a property where you can interchange this both. 4 log 20 base 20. 20 base 20 is 1. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. This is one way to solve. 80 power x is 4. 80 power y is 5. X is log 4 base 80. Y is log 5 base 80. 20 power of 1 minus of x plus y by 1 minus x. 1 is log 80 base 80. X plus y log 4 base 80 plus log 5 base 80. It is log 20 base 80. 1 I wrote it as log 80 base 80. X is log 4 base 80. Log 4 base 80, log 20 base 80. So it is, answer is 4. Answer is 4. Now this one way. Now how I solved this question? When it is given to me, how I solved this question? Listen carefully. I used a very simple way to solve this question. Simple way to solve this question. What is the way I used? 80 power x is 4. 80 power 0 is 1. X is greater than 0. 80 power 0 is 1. 80 power y is 5. 80 power 0 is 1. Y is greater than 0. This will be 20 power 1 minus x minus y by 1 minus x. 1 minus x by 1 minus x. 1 minus y by 1 minus x. 1 minus something. So power is less than 1. 20 power 1 is 20. 20 power less than 1. Answer should be less than 20. Stupid answer options are there. Only answer is 4. 20 power 1 minus x minus y by 1 minus x. 1 minus x by 1 minus x cancel. 1 minus something. 1 minus something means answer is less than 20 power 1. 20 power 1 is 20. Answer should be less than 20. All these logarithmic expansion, it is not at all required. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 80 power 0 is 1. So x is greater than 0. Y is also greater than 0. Y is also greater than 0. I hope the concept it is clear. Keeping an eye on answer options at times will give us answer very, very fast. Next, this is an original CAT replica question. See here, question is, the sum of 4 consecutive 2-digit odd numbers, consecutive 2-digit, 4 consecutive 2-digit odd numbers when divided by 10. There are 4 odd numbers are there which are consecutive. When I divide by 10, it becomes a perfect square. It becomes a perfect square. 1 by 1, let us see. One by one, let us see. Odd numbers unit digit will be. Odd numbers unit digit will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd numbers unit digit will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For consecutive 2-digit odd numbers. Consecutive means it can end with 1, it can end with 3, it can end with 5, it can end with 7. It can end with 3, 13, 15, 17, 19. 15, 17, 19, 21. Are you all with me? 17, 19, 21, 23. 19, 21, 23, 25. These are all possibilities. Any odd number unit digit will be an odd number. Odd number means it can be 1, 3, 5, 7. 21, 23, 25, 27. 23, 25, 27, 29. 25, 27, 29, 31. 37, 39, 41, 43. It is when divided by 10. That means the number, if I add it, it is getting divided by 10. That means unit digit will be 0. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, no. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 1, 22, no. 16, 21, 24, no. This is also no. The possibility is 7913. 7913. The unit digit can be 7913. If it is 21, the next number will be 23. The previous number is 19, 17, 36 plus 44, 80. 80 divided by 10, 8. 8 is not a perfect square. It is not possible. 41. It is 41. It is 43. It is 39. It is 37. 84 plus 76, 160. Divided by 10, 16. It is a perfect square. Very, very easy way to solve. If you understand that odd number unit digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I wrote all the possibilities. This number is getting divided by 10. That means sum of these numbers should end with 10. Only possibility is 7913. So first option is 21. 21. 19. Odd numbers, right? 17, 23. Sum is 80. Not possible. 41, 43, 37, 39. 76 plus 84, 160. 160 divided by 10. 16. It is a perfect square. Answer for this question is right option number C, 41. I hope the idea it is clear. This question is a classical question of understanding the property of an odd number. This is finding out the domain of x and y and eliminating incorrect answer option. 3 methods I discussed. One is bottom-up approach, one is substitution approach, another is approximation approach. If the series is a decreasing series, how to approximate the values? How to find the approximate value of a non-perfect square? Question contains numerical values, answer contains variables. Geometric mean, the definition of geometric mean, it is the mid value. Interior plus exterior 180, sum of exterior 360. Interior are in AP, exterior also will be in AP. Convex polygon, every interior angle less than 180 degrees. 20 problems we discussed. Each and every question is extremely important. In case if you enjoy this content, sir, I am also writing other than CAT examination. I wanted all your shortcuts. You can go for these crash course, CAT 23 self-paced course, right? These also useful for multiple exams, railway exam special course with multiple validity, multiple fee structure, multiple validity, multiple fee structure. What you are getting, all the classes are taken by me. SSC, multiple validity, multiple fee structure, verbal ability. This is a topic wise course where the topics are discussed by the veteran, absolutely fantastic teacher, sir. Only pure maths you want, you can go for this. Only arithmetic you want, you can go for this. I hope this session has given you some direction in simplifying the problem and solving it in easy way, best way and fastest way. That is the reason I wrote the heading, mind over matter. Thanks a lot, sir. With love, Anil Nair.